Hey Tim, this is Ben Iron from Tuckahoe, New York. You are watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
So let me show you my toolbox. One of my tools in my toolbox. You know, I talk about toolboxes and tools to do the job all the time, just like your driver's license. That's a tool in your toolbox. And every endorsement you can have on that driver's license makes that tool that much more powerful, such as fueling. When it comes to network cards, we have the NASTC fuel card, and that is good at wherever NASTC participates, mostly TAs, Petros, Speedways, a few of your mom and pops. That's why I keep it right there with my Ultra 1 Platinum level TA card. And then you have the Titan fuel card, which is Rts Carrier Services. And that is for Pilot Flying J fueling. So I keep that right next to my Pilot card. This card will get you 20 to 30 cents off a gallon at TA or Petro. This card will get you 14 cents, depending on your credit score. Top tier is 14 cents, 12 cents, 10 cents. We'll get into that more later. This card will get you 14 cents off a cash price per gallon at your Pilot and Flying J. Of course, we don't have a card for Loves. Loves uses either Comdata or a NASTC. And then we have our Comdata card here, which is when we do Landstar loads, we get money on that card, and we can fuel at any location in the Comdata network. And we have apps, and we can check fuel prices for all these locations. Like I said, all these are tools at your disposal, so it's a good idea to have all the tools you can have. Today we are going to push this Titan fuel card. This is Tony Vitale. Vitale, as I say that right? We'll get you his contact info. And so if you guys are a NASTC member and you don't pull Landstar freight, and sometimes you need to fuel outside of TA and Petro network, and Pilot is your only option outside of mom and pops, and then at least will save you 14 cents per gallon, plus get you 5 cents fuel perks. And they have a lot of other services as well. They also are a factoring company. I don't use the factoring side. And they also are a brokerage and a trucking company, I do believe. But they got a lot of fish in one barrel with this outfit. And so they have tire discounts, road service discounts, and various other amenities that go along with the card. There is no fee for this card whatsoever. There's no activation fee, there's no maintenance fee, and there's no interest on this card. You simply use this card, buy your fuel at the Pilot, and it will automatically pay itself every Monday out of whatever account you set it up to do every Monday. So if you buy fuel Monday, 7 days later the money will come out to pay for the fuel that you just purchased. So we'll leave Tony's contact info down there. When you contact Tony, tell Tony that you've seen this video from Tim at Life is Good, and he will hook you up with and see that you get set up in a speedy manner. So there's that. So there's just some of the tools in this particular toolbox. Just tools doing the job. Anytime you can get discounts, it is a bonus. So there you go. Thank you. Like I said, guys, it's a good idea to have tools in your toolbox. You can never have too many tools in your toolbox. So call Tony. I'll get a hold of Tony and see what kind of contact information he's willing for me to put out there. But check the description box in case you don't know where that's at. If you look at the video, see a little box, touch a little arrow, drop down arrow, you'll see information for Tony's contacts. Hopefully we'll be able to figure out how to do links, if we can do links to his business page or his personal Facebook page or whatever. or just his contact name and phone number, we'll get that over there to you. And like I said, give Tony a call and apply for the card. Like I said, it doesn't cost anything, and there's no maintenance fees, there's no activation fee like Nastic. So it's a $250 membership, plus you got to pay $50. Well, it's $200 membership, then $50 for the card, plus $4.25 a month. This RTS Titan card, $0. No startup fees, no maintenance fees, no nothing. So it's a free tool to put in your toolbox. Works like a credit card. You buy your fuel. It's probably like a $2,500 weekly allotment for one truck, depending on your credit score again, and it will pay itself every Monday, automatic. If you set it up that way, that's the way I have mine set up. I buy fuel, I ain't got to worry about it. Monday it comes off the card, provided there's money in the checkbook for it. So anyway, so check the description box for Tony's info. Give Tony a call. Tell him Tim with Life is Good from YouTube sent you, and everybody be happy. He'll get you squared away. We're going to go finish our loading process here, and then we are off to the big cheese state. Maybe I'll try some cheese curds, because I've never had cheese curds. So I got to give cheese curds a try. You guys have a good day.
When I'm not playing my bagpipes, I'm watching Life is Good. Come on now.